Yay, new house. Now you can run here. They're getting used to the big space. They had their food there. I brought them some corn. It is granulated. And they have fresh grass. Here I got the girls. They're helping me today. Here's Mia and Bibi. She's helping me with a weed. You're doing a great job.
Am I? I'm doing my best.
Okay, I'm going to show you some of the things that we've been planting and transplanting from indoors. That way you have an idea what we got. What's going on here. These are all the potatoes, okay? Potato plants are growing beautifully. They haven't flowered yet. It's kind of early for most people here in the north for potatoes, but I decided to plant them last month and they growing just fine. These are my onions. All this row is onions. It has some weed around it, but that's okay. Some weed is fine. We weed all the time, so to clean the garden. Here are the beets. This row is beets all the way up. These are some flowers that I planted. I like to have some flowers around the garden for attracting pollinators. These are the peas that I planted 2 months ago. See, they're vines. They're doing great. Some flower. This is a volunteer potato plant as this one. See those black dots there? Those are flea beetles. Flea beetles will devour the potato plants. They love potato plants leaves. But I'm getting ready to spray some neem oil. That'll help. Here are my beets. Beets are growing beautiful. I got carrots and lettuces here.
Look how big this worm is.
Oh my gosh.
Giant.
Oh my God,
I
look
know.
at the worms. It's beautiful. Good job, honey.
I wanted to show you.
Oh, wow. So big. Yeah, we have lots of worms in this soil. It's a very rich soil. Okay, we have here cucumbers. I just transplant them. They're suffering a little bit from the sun and the ants. We have an ant problem, but today I just plant some more cucumber seeds in between these two. That's something that I do often. When the plant is a certain size, I replant seeds in between the old plants. That way I'm gonna have different sessions to harvest cucumbers. Garlic, carrots, beets, onion, potatoes, peas, cucumbers. I have 2 rows of cucumbers. Here in between the cucumbers, I planted leafy greens like this lettuce here. I got another type of lettuce here, or I think this is endive. This is kale. This is another lettuce. Look how beautiful it looks. More lettuce here. See, all in the middle. This is red Russian kale. This is another type of kale. Endive. This is a wheat, and it has thorns to get that out. Anyways, this is kale. More kale here. This is a wheat. More kale. I'm gonna plant here the beans, the pole beans. They're blue, which is easier to harvest. Here are some peppers. I have 2 varieties. And here's some more peppers, the cachucha peppers. More peppers there too. Those are volunteer potato plants. And I just transplant here my baby tomato plants. See them? Here I got my squashes and sweet potato. So I made 2 rows of squash. I have zucchini and spaghetti squash. And there's another variety that I don't remember exactly right now. But yeah, I have 2 rows of squashes, and in the middle we planted sweet potatoes. Here's the sweet potato plants there, all the way to the end. And here, these are volunteer potato plants. Here I just planted okra beans. I'm gonna cover them now. They're pretty close by, but that's a good thing because I know some ants will get to them. That's why I plant a lot. See the ants there? They say, "Ooh, food," but they'll be able to get some of them. But some others will grow for me. Mia is helping me to get ready that area for the corn. So yeah, it's filling up, and pretty soon it's gonna be a jungle, a food jungle.